Qiewa Qmini. Go, it's up. Put up handlebars. To unlock, it's unlocked. If you want to power it on, you press this button. Right? Boom. It's got some headlights, so you can see there. Get in front of this. Very strong headlights. I've always liked the Qiewa's headlights when it came to their scooters. This also has a horn, which is right here. You press. Pretty loud. I don't even know where the sound is coming from. It might be from this little box here. Yes, it is from this little box. The Qiewa branding here. The stem is solid. But the main feature I love about this scooter is this right here. This. You feel that? Well, you can't feel it. But these are straight rubber tires. These things are amazing because if you guys remember, sometime last year when I had the Qiewa Hummer, the scooter had got a flat, right? These won't get flat at all. It's the drum brake. See that brake? It's an electronic brake. It's in there. So no more hassles of disc brakes. Disc brakes are okay, but we all know the problems that come with disc brakes, and that's they screw up from time to time. They have problems, you know. These brakes it's just like the Anchier. The Anchier I had, same thing. Love the braking system on here. As you brake, you got your stoplight there. Pretty dope. The only downfall I would say would have to be the acceleration. The scooter comes with 3 modes. The first mode is on already. You want to press this bottom button under the power button to change to mode 2 to go a little faster, and then mode 3. I'm going to read the specs of this before I even get to the specs. You can also charge your phone your phone with this scooter because it has a USB port. So you can drop your phone in there, or your wire to your phone there, have like a phone holder here, and basically ride out. You know what I'm saying? Charge your phone on your ride home to work, or if you just want to hang out with a few friends, phone's dying, charge it up. But pretty fast scooter. I'll run down the specs on camera, but this is pretty much the overview of the scooter. There's not many videos out there showing what this scooter looks like. So this is the scooter. I'm just giving you a quick, look